You know, we have a segment called Show and Tell, Catherine. This is where we sit back and listen to all your ideas. So what do you have for us today?
Like we said, we're spending more time inside. So look for a natural cleaner, because who wants those harsh chemicals and smells when they're cleaning? And I don't know about you, but my floors always get the most beat up. So I fell in love with this Rejuvenate floor cleaner line because it will clean every surface, stone, tile, wood, and laminate. It's tough enough to really get the job done, but it's gentle enough where I can be cleaning the floors with my cat walking around, with my kid playing Legos in the room. Rejuvenate has developed this green hybrid technology. So it's a plant-based technology. What that means is there's going to be less streaks left behind, because soap-based cleaners leave behind streaked, which attracts dirt, which means you're cleaning more. You'll see here on this right side here. But the plant-based isn't going to do that, because who wants to clean more? Nobody wants to clean more. So check out that Rejuvenate Natural series. That's available at Lowe's.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.